Yes. Do you really know that AI is really everywhere? But most of the beginners doesn't know really the power of ChatGPT. Yes, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT in 2025. Step by step, even if you've never tried it before. Let's get started. Hi everyone, you are welcome back to YouTube Infotech. Yes, if you're new here, I talk about AI tools, YouTube growth, and smart tech tools. So if that is your thing, please, you make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future video for the purpose of your YouTube growth. Okay, step one. What is ChatGPT? This is an AI that is created by an open AI. Yes, of course, it can help in answering questions, creating script, creating an ideas, and even giving you more clues about YouTube. So you should really take ChatGPT as your daily AI assistant, 247. This is exactly what you have to know. It is very important, and this app is very, very, very important to you. And now here comes the question. How can you chat to ChatGPT? It's just very simple. You just click open, or you go to that app on your Android phone, you tap on it. After tapping on it, then there's a chat space there. You click on it. At the same time, you type whatever you want. For example, can you write for me a script on how I can use ChatGPT? It immediately responds. Then, at the same time, how can I grow fast on YouTube? It begins giving you the script. Can you make for me thumbnail out of this image? It just responds to you. You keep communicating. It asks you, then you also gives ChatGPT the answer or what you want. It gives you whatever you want, as long as it's what it can do. It's just very simple. Yes, it's just like this. If you to ask yourself, how do you get ChatGPT? How can you access ChatGPT? It's just very simple. You just pick your phone, your Android phone, your iPhone, your iPad, or your computer. What you do is just create for you yourself a Gmail. Then after creating, just go to that app store. Then you click on that search and write Chat GPT. Then it brings to you that exactly. And what you do is you just download. After downloading, you click to open. Let it opens for you. Yes, daily usage of ChatGPT. That is number 5. Now we've got 5 ways on how beginners can use ChatGPT. 1, you can use ChatGPT to generate for you thumbnail and script for you on YouTube. Number 2, it can help you brainstorm your business. Number 3, it helps you write Gmail very fast. Number 4, it helps you as a beginner. Listen very carefully. It helps you as a beginner to summarize your school essays. Yes, anything about creating notes. It helps you in summarizing them. Yes, these are the importance of ChatGPT for you as a beginner. So what you have to do is you need to get use of ChatGPT AI. You need to use it right now tomorrow, today, anytime you wish. And please, if you've got this video very important to you, you make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave your comments on the comment section, you share, like, and you make sure to click on the notification button so that you don't miss future videos. One love.